Hello students, good evening. Welcome to 5 minutes physics. So in this lecture what I'm going to do, I will solve NCERT exercise question from 1.7 to 1.10 from the topic electric charge and field. Without wasting time, we'll start the video. My name is SRP as you know and you are watching my beautiful channel Love You Science. So start karte. 1.7 first bit is an electrostatic field line is a continuous curve, that is a field line cannot have sudden breaks. Why? And second bit is explain why two field lines cannot intersect each other. Coming to first bit, electrostatic field is a continuous curve. See, the formula of electric field is kq by r square. अगर ये आपके पास एक point charge है with a certain distance r, you need to find out electric field. What is the formula? kq by r square. That means electric field is inversely proportional to square of a distance. So if we keep on increasing the distance, अगर distance increase हो रहा है, what about the strength of electric field? It gradually decreases. If I increase the value of r, if I increase the distance, what about the strength of electric field? It will decrease. Understood? So when r will be equal to infinity, E will be 0. मतलब if I keep on increasing the value of distance, the strength of electric field gradually decreases. At infinity, the value of E will be 0. That means that that electric field lines, it should be a continuous curve. It cannot break suddenly. It cannot interrupt. So that means it is a continuous curve. Is it clear? Is it clear? So you have to write कि electric field lines or electric lines of force exist in the region of electric field. As you increase the distance, the strength of electric field gradually decreases and it becomes 0 when r will be infinite. That's why the graph is continuous curve or the curve is continuous, and that field lines cannot have sudden breaks. Clear? Coming to second bit. Second bit तो बहुत easy है. Why two field lines cannot intersect each other? अगर दो लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है, मान लो कि टू लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स दे डू इंटरसेक्ट, what will happen? You can get two tangent. If there will be two tangent, there will be two direction of electric field, which is not possible. You cannot get two direction of a single line. One electric field lines मतलब one direction. अगर इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है, the probability is you can get two tangent. अगर दो tangent होगा दो डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा. दो डायरेक्शन तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, मतलब it is not possible. Is it clear? You know tangent क्या है? To know the direction of electric field, you have to draw a tangent to the lines of force. The tangent to the lines of force will give the direction of electric field. अगर इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है तो probability to get two tangent, अगर दो tangent मिल रहा है मतलब दो direction. दो direction is not possible. Single lines of force मतलब single direction. Is it clear? Okay. Now next question 1.8. 2 point charges QA plus 3 microcoulomb and QB minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 cm apart in vacuum. Find the electric field at the midpoint O of the line joining the two charges. देखो पहले first bit क्या है? QA and QB, there are two charges of magnitude plus 3 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb. And the separation between them, let it be R. R is given how much? It is given 20 cm. So we'll find out the net electric field at the center. Electric field at the midpoint O of the line joining between. ये हो गया line, ये midpoint है. We'll find out electric field at the midpoint. That is our objective. So see, you know electric field का formula क्या होता है? KQ upon distance square. कोई भी point में if you want to find out electric field, that electric field due to a point charge is KQ by distance square. And always you take magnitude of charge. अगर ये पॉजिटिव होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन अवे फ्रॉम द चार्ज, अगर ये नेगेटिव होगा देन टुवर्ड्स द चार्ज. ठीक है. सिंस देयर आर टू चार्ज विल बी गेटिंग टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. तो फर्स्ट वन इज लेट ई ओ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए, और ई ओ ए मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट ओ ड्यू टू ए चार्ज. व्हाट इज द मैग्नीट्यूड? टेल मी. के इनटू क्यू ए अपॉन डिस्टेंस स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस? टोटल डिस्टेंस 20, ये मिड पॉइंट है, ये डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा? 10 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 distance square, so we'll take the square. And what is the direction? ये अगर positive charge है, ये at this point, what is the direction of electric field? Away from the charge, right? So like direction is along AO. Direction is along AO, right? Similarly, what is the electric field at this point O due to B charge? K Q into B, mod of B I am taking. Mod of B upon distance square. Distance कितना है? 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. And what is the direction? Since it is negative charge, what is the direction of electric field towards the charge? मतलब along OB. ठीक है? Then QA mod is equal to QB mod. मैग्नीट्यूड तो दोनों का सेम है, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का स्ट्रेंथ जो है मैग्नीट्यूड विल आल्सो सेम, दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड भी सेम हो जाएगा क्योंकि QA विल बी इक्वल टू QB. So what is the net electric field? I can write down EOA plus EOB क्योंकि दोनों का डायरेक्शन क्या है? फर्स्ट का डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम दैट पॉजिटिव चार्ज along OA, along AO, and सेकंड का डायरेक्शन along OB, मतलब दोनों का डायरेक्शन क्या है? टुवर्ड्स राइट. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन क्या है? टुवर्ड्स राइट. सेकंड का आल्सो टुवर्ड्स राइट. व्हाट इज द नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? EOA plus EOB. Since both are same, we can write down 2 into K QA modulus upon 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. So here I can put the value. K value is 9.9 into 10 to the power 9. QA is 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. And distance 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. So you can solve it. If you solve it, 10, 10, it will cancel. The answer will be coming, I think 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. That is your final answer. And what is the direction of net electric field? Towards right. Towards right. Clear? First bit clear? Coming to second bit. Second bit क्या है? If a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb is placed at the center, find the force experienced by the test charge. मतलब we got the electric field as 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb at this point. This point was O. Now, what we are doing, we are keeping a negative test charge. We are keeping a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Is it clear? We already got the strength of electric field at this point. Now we are keeping one test charge in that electric field. The test charge will experience a force. That force is Q naught into E, that you know. If a test charge is placed inside an electric field, that test charge will experience a force. That force is Q naught into E. What is Q naught? 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. Electric field कितना है? 5.4 into 10 to the power 6. If we solve it, 1.5 into 5.4, 9, 6 minus 3. मतलब it is coming, I think 8.1 or 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Is it clear? At Newton. And what is the direction of net electric net force? What is the direction of net force? Since it is negative charge, the direction of electric field क्या था? Towards right. And ये एक negative charge है. तो अंडरस्टूड, ये हो गया आपका नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. एंड यू आर कीपिंग ए नेगेटिव टेस्ट चार्ज, सो द पॉजिटिव विल अट्रैक्ट द नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव विल रिपेल द नेगेटिव चार्ज. मतलब द नेट फोर्स का डायरेक्शन होगा टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. इज इट क्लियर? Now coming to next question 1.9, a system has two charges 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb are located at a point. There are two coordinates. One is 0, 0 minus 15 centimeter, other is 0, 0 plus 15 centimeter. What is the total charge and electric dipole moment of the system? Okay, let us take the coordinate first. Let this axis is x-axis, here it is y-axis. And this one is positive z-axis. अगर ये positive z-axis होगा, ये क्या होगा? Negative z-axis. Clear? So there are two charges QA and QB. So one is located at 0, 0 minus 15. मतलब ये coordinate होगा 0, 0 minus 15. And here charge is QA. clear. And another charge QB is located at 0 0 plus 15, मतलब ये कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो जाएगा 0 0 plus 15 and the charge is QB. Clear? Tell me what is the separation between the two charges? It will be 30 centimeter. From center ऊपर देखो 15 centimeter, नीचे भी 15 centimeter. Total distance कितना है 30 centimeter. That means you can say it is a dipole. There are two equal and opposite charges. अरे QB कितना है minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. QA कितना है 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. So there are two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance of 30 centimeter. You can say it is a dipole. Understood? So first bit क्या है? What is the total charge? You know, as per the additivity principle, net charge of the system is equal to algebraic sum of individual charges. There are two charges having equal magnitude, but one is positive, other is negative. What is the net charge? QA plus QB. That will be 0. अरे दोनों का magnitude same है, but one is negative, other is positive. What is the net charge? 0. Clear? And second bit क्या है? We'll find out the dipole moment. You know dipole moment का magnitude क्या है? The mod of any charge into separation between the two charges. Mod of the charge is how much? It is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. And what about its separation? ये distance है 2a, 30 centimeter. So 30 into 10 to the power minus 2. So it is coming 0.75 into 10 to the power minus I think 7 minus 7 coulomb meter. Clear? And what about its direction? Direction देखो dipole moment का direction क्या है? Negative to positive. So here negative is B, positive is A, मतलब B to A. ये हो गया आपका आंसर. Hope it is clear. Okay, so next question 1.10 बहुत easy question है. An electric dipole with dipole moment 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb meter is aligned 30 degree with the direction of uniform electric field of magnitude 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Calculate the magnitude of torque acting on the dipole. So here dipole moment is given. P is 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb meter. And magnitude of electric field is also given, which is 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. And angle which dipole is aligned, the angle is given 30 degree. So you have to find out the torque experienced by the dipole. You know, अगर ये आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, ये डाइपोल मोमेंट का डायरेक्शन है, ये एंगल बिटवीन देम इज थीटा. सो टॉर्क का एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला होता है PE sin theta. So I am not going to derive this expression. If you want to know how it is coming, so you can go through my previous video. I have already explained. 5-minute series में मिल जाएगा, 5 मिनट explanation था. So torque is PE sin theta. P का वैल्यू क्या है 4 into 10 to the power minus 9. E is 5 into 10 to the power 4 sin 30. Sin 30 is half, right? So 5 4 20 into 10 to the power minus 5 into sin 30 is half. So it is 10 to the power minus 4 Newton meter. ये हो गया आपका magnitude of torque. So with this I am ending this lecture. Hope you guys understood. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. If anything else is required, you can mention in comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.